What is the value of x? So to solve this problem, we're going to be using the distributive property. So our first step is to distribute the -8. Now to distribute something, it just means to multiply it through both terms. And in this case, we have a set of parentheses. So it's really just saying -8 times 8x minus 6. And we can do that by just distributing this -8 through both terms inside the set of parentheses. And make sure to distribute it through both terms. You'd be surprised. One of the most common mistakes involving the distributive property is for students to simply just forget to distribute through both terms. So make sure to distribute through both terms. So we have -8 times 8x. A negative times a positive is a negative. So -8 times positive 8x is -64x. A negative times a negative is a positive, so -8 times -6 is positive 48. Equals, and then we just bring down our 4x minus 22. Now to solve this equation from here, we're going to, first, it doesn't matter if you subtract 4x, if you add 64x, but our goal is to put our variables together on one side of the equation and to put our numbers together on the other side of the equation. It's usually best to put your variables together on the side that makes the coefficient positive, so that's exactly what I'm going to do here. I'm going to add 64x to both sides, and then we're going to get 48 equals 4x plus 64x simplifies to 68x minus 22. Now we can go ahead and put our numbers together on the other side of the equation by adding 22 to both sides. And we get 48 plus 22, which is 58, 68, which is 70, equals 68x. Now just divide both sides of the equation by 68. Now 70 over 68 can be reduced. So if we have 70 over 68 actually over here, now don't be afraid to get a fraction as your answer. It's okay. We can divide top and bottom by 2, and that gives us 35 over 34. And 35 over 34 cannot be reduced any further, I believe. No, it cannot be. So this is our answer, 35 over 34.